Alright, yo, hey, we dipping out because the motherfucking cops are showing up, and we going crazy. We going crazy. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Penetration. Set back and I gave you nigga time, now I got too impatient. Ran the shit up, chasing bread on the daily. Cook the boy all night, he hate that I made it. Blowing the paper here, now I can't save it. Spinning shit, get it back, you feel amazing. Trying to imagine it used to be vacant. Dragging it, gripping, I'm harder than save. Addicted to money, that got me a crave. At first it was so now hard like the pay. Rich young nigga from my side of the city. Put the shit in they face, make these fuck nigga feel they brand new Maybach quarter ticket. Got on my ass and went ran on my dick. Young nigga flying for high as a bitch. Got me a billion.
Hey yo. Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Bandit. We're out here in Reno at the Hot August Lights here at the GSR. We're out here vibing out, and we're about to hang out, see what's good. There's so many people here, and we barely found parking. It's so crazy, crowded as hell. The whole event's over there, and it's just wild right now. We got like the whole valet parking right here, just full of old schools, full of hot rods and shit. And it is completely packed. Hot August Lights 2024, baby, let's get it.
A few minutes later.
Mr. Dennis Edwards. Tonight, you will hear songs like, oh my.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I told the cops to rev it. So he didn't rev it up. There's a lot of nice cars out tonight. Holy, it's lit. Downtown Reno's lit. That's crazy. Yo, these lights are sick on this floor, bro. Getting the lease.
1 week later.
Press the 91 maybe? This one? Yeah. Cool. Nice. And then those squeeze, handle. Okay, that's right. Ready? And then you release it. Hold it down. There you go, baby. Oh, I don't know. Oh, no, that's not too bad of gas. $3.99. Hey, yo, it's... Hi, Astro.
Hi.
Yo.
And that's the same card that is fun.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, but it's not purple. It's kind of purple.
Well, it's not purple. It's dark, it's a dark blue metallic. Yo, this keeps going off, bro. Every time I gotta deal with this. We just cruise and just figure it out. I just put some gas for now. We just put some gas for now. And we're trying to figure it out because it's a beautiful day. And man, it's a beautiful day, baby. So I'm just trying to show you guys around, trying to show you guys what's good. It's gonna be litty, so I'm about to enjoy it with my son, and we're about to have some fun today, so stay tuned.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure. Kinda early though. Hey, yo, what's that? Dang. Then only yo, homie just popped, yo. Bro. That's not even your whip, huh?
That wasn't even me. DI.
What? They could have gave me a car.
Alright, we got room now, That was wild work, bro. Yo. Damn, that paint color is fire. Joe, that's me too, bro. Sheesh.
Baby got that B in it.
This ain't no AI.
That shit actually looks real. Let me see it.
Yo, the dash is insane though. In the back too. Ooh, Simone way, huh?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Sheesh.
Yeah, damn.
Damn. Yo, this car just keeps going with surprises, bro. You pop the hood and then you pop the truck. That's wild work.
Dad, can you go up and get me?
Oh my gosh, this is like so.
Mic check. Like the
Yo.
owner of that Honda over there speaking out.
Nah. Yo. Oh shit. He's looking at me. Yo, he told his homie, and his homie ran over here, bro. That was crazy. Yo. Hey, look. This is homie's car here. Guys that own the Honda Civic, and they're getting closer and closer to our whip, bro. What's going on, bro? Oh, weak, bro. They're like, which one moved my car, bro? Hey, man's just tweaking right now, bro. Wait, he's touching shit now? What the? I don't know what man's is on, bro. Bro. Look who comes in here, bro. Cold Stone Steve Austin, bro. Cold Stone, what are you doing, bro? Getting litty out here. It's getting lit. I got the shiesty mask on, bro. Hey, it's getting litty out here, man. You gotta pop out the shiesty, you know, the shiesty, the shiesty, you feel me? You ain't never seen this shit?
No.
It's a shiesty mask, bro. Some crazy activity shit, you feel me? I've never seen a shiesty mask before. That's crazy work, bro. Yeah, hey, this is Charger activity right here. This is Black Air Force One's activity.
Yeah, I'm out here walking the white Air Force One.
Oh, so he's a good boy. He's a good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah. Hey, we got a 15-year-old kid riding that Caliber SRT4, bro. That's wild work. His project car. His second whip. That's crazy. Hey, if it works, it works. I love it.
Tape is to catch air because it's sticky.
God, it was.
You don't want to burn my
Oh, I like the Bluetooth air filter a lot. It brings a lot more air,
A lot
no?
more air.
That's beautiful.
It filters it here. And Bluetooth sends it here.
That's mine, bro. Oh, thank you, dog. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Red one, who's the red one?
That's you. Hey, good looking out. Yes, Sirski. Thank you, dog.
A few minutes later.
Microphone check, microphone check. Hey, yo! I don't know what's going on with my audio. I already told you guys the phone's crashing out. I don't know what's going on. But we're out here following the homies. I don't know if you guys can see. We're going up to Mexico right now. And we're about to be bobbing out, doing some fun illegal activity. No, I'm playing. But yes, we're about to see what's happening though. You never know what's about to happen. But it was a litty night. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it was litty. I'll show you guys everything, man. It's shit's lit. But anywho, anyway, we're out here getting it. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a little night POV. Let's get it. Yes sir, yes sir. Anyway, yeah, it's busy right here right now. Man, it's always busy over here. Alright, we're just about to get off the exit right now. So what we're doing right now is we're about to go to the first car meet and see what's good there. And then there's an actual car meet that we always go to every weekend. I just want to see what's happening, you know. We're gonna pop out at both and see what's good. Yo, there ain't no one here, bro. That's crazy work. I don't even see anybody here, bro. I don't know what that car is doing, bro. There ain't no one here. Bro, there's like one car right there. Just sitting sideways. We might just have to retreat to our old stomping grounds and see what's good. Wait, who's this guy? I let get it. Hey yo, so that was a dud. We're just gonna go to the actual spot that we know to, so we're gonna see what's happening. Well, yeah, just look. Sheesh. Mission complete.
That shit peels.
Why was it peeling? Was it? Oh, like, yeah, like underneath the freeway, huh?
Yeah,
That was nice, that was nice. Thank you.
And it's a
No smoke though, right? Yeah, smoke?
Yeah, smoke on the...
Oh,
Yeah, when you
shit.
went under the bridge, you hella smoked out.
Nah,
You smoked out the tires.
bro, come on, stop playing. They say I smoked out the tires, bro. I gotta film now, I gotta film. Oh my gosh, no, they good, they good. Yeah, they feel like...
One thing you know, nothing bad, wasn't nothing crazy, but yeah, you saw you.
Hey, this way, this way, this way. That is the ops, bro.
I'm used to denial. Nah,
He's like, I ain't listening to you, I'm a kitty.
He's like, it's the Kia boys.
He's like, I ain't gonna...
He's on the shicey mask, he's like, I'm good.
Fool gonna pull out the wire.
He's like, hey, come here, fool. Hey, let me see the red key real quick. Hey, what's that in my boy? Hey. What is good, but hey, we just vibing out, you know, we chilling, you know.
Happy fuck.
Hey, bro, why'd you just dap me up and just dip out, bro? Oh, that kid just ate shit right now. Gee, what's good? No, I'm vibing out. I'm trying to see who has that Daytona scat pack. Hey, what's up, bro?
Yeah.
What's up, bro? What's that? No, I meant hellcat. Hey, Chad, did I say that? My bad. I don't think I said that. Hey, I'm gonna go check that shit out. Oh my gosh. Hey, stick your fist in there, bro.
What do you mean by that?
Doesn't even have the dash cover, nothing, bro. Delete everything. Sheesh. Oh, bro, you can't f with this guy. He has the PC right here, bro. He has the laptop ready to go, bro. It's not a scat, bro. It's twins, though. And we brothers right here, bro. We got the Silver State Mopar. You know what I'm saying?
And they poured polished and everything. This thing now, it actually, when he put it on the dyno, it was pulling more power than a 3.0 Whipple that he had on the next to it. So, but it's only the 2.4, it's not the 2.7.
We got bikes, man. Sheesh.
No, it's Reno.
Everyone's on highway.
Alright, yo, hey, we dipping out because the motherfucking cops are showing up, and we going crazy. We going crazy. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh damn! Sheesh! That's crazy. Damn. That's crazy. Oh, and we got, that's crazy work. That's crazy work. Hey, show clothes, bro. That's just crazy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, we got everybody out here. Oh, shit. We closed down.
Nigga feeling that brand new Maybach quarter ticket. Got on my ass and went ran on my dick. Young nigga fly fuck high as a bitch. Got me a Billy all in my vision. Bitch tried to look at my chain and got this. Ballin' real hard like I play for the Grizzlies.
You gonna use all them cars? That's crazy.
And that's it for this video. And make sure that you guys vibe with me, check me out, like and subscribe. And I hope you guys like this video. Yes, sir, ski. Let's get it.
I used to be down bad, people broke out at that situation. 6 2 bullets through the car, now that's a penetration. Set back and I gave you